So with nutrition, ladies, you can absolutely balance out your hormones. You want to focus on foods that are high in vitamin E, calcium, and magnesium, and zinc too. But even all these foods that have cruciferous leaves that are dark, that have these vitamins and minerals, that's exactly what you want to be looking at. You want to look at like cauliflower. Cauliflower is exceptional. It detoxifies your estrogen levels. You want to focus on kale. Kale is loaded with magnesium. Spinach, Brussels sprouts, bok choy. You want to look at all the berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. They're loaded with antioxidants and they're so powerful. They're very, very good for detoxifying and actually balancing out your hormones. You also want to take a look at sweet potato. Oh my God, sweet potato is loaded with beta-carotene. These type of foods are all really high in magnesium, vitamin E, and C. And these are the type of foods that I highly encourage all my clients to always add to their daily diets, because they're really going to focus on balancing out those hormones. So I hope this helps. If you want more information, please take a look at my website. I have a lot more content in there as it relates to what nutrition is going to be good for you and how that can help with your hormones and with your insulin. Go to www.livelikeyogi.com. Believe me, I have a ton of recipes that are really designed to balance out your hormones. So if you like this, if you found this helpful, like and subscribe to my channel.